How to see what is currently trending on TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can see what is currently trending on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. As you all know, TikTok has recently deleted the feature of discovering or exploring new trending content, and this feature is only available in a few regions. In my region in particular, it is not available. So there are some things that you can do in order to find what is currently trending on TikTok. Step number 1 is going to the search bar and searching for trending now. Then you can go to the hashtags and see a lot of hashtags for trending now option. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see multiple reels that are currently trending now. Also, in order to find the popular sounds, go to the camera option and then select the sound option on the top. After that, you'll be able to see multiple sounds that are currently trending on TikTok. You can simply press the see all option on the right hand side and then you'll be able to see more of them. You can simply save them by selecting the bookmark icon or use them by selecting the sound itself. And I can assure you that most of these sounds are currently trending on TikTok. And there you go. Those two are the two limited options that you can use to see what's currently trending on TikTok. Hopefully TikTok will announce the option to see currently trending videos on TikTok soon enough. Until then, these are all the options that you can use. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.